Thanks for watching my show today. I'm Dr. Jill, and today I'm going to show you that awesome recipe for curried chicken and apricot salad. Now you can put this between 2 slices of bread, or you can serve it in lettuce cups or even on a wrap. It's totally up to you. We're going to start by making the dressing for this salad using a 1/4 cup of salad dressing, the whipped salad dressing that only has 40 calories per serving. We're going to add 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard to that, then 2 tablespoons of raw honey to give it that sweetness. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh chopped rosemary leaves. 1 to 1½ teaspoons of that fresh curry powder that I made in my short video. You can also use store-bought, but in my opinion, the one you make at home is probably going to taste a lot better. A dash of black pepper, and you can add more at the end if you need to, and also a dash of salt. Now we're going to stir that up, and this is the fun part where we add all the other ingredients, and we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of green spring onions or scallions, a 1/4 cup of chopped grapes. These are purple grapes that I cut in half. These are a smaller grape because I got these from my friend's yard, but if you get them in the store, you might need to quarter them. A 1/4 cup of chopped celery, a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. You could also use toasted almonds for this. And finally, my favorite ingredient, the chopped dried apricots. If those dried apricots you have aren't very tender, you can actually put them in some simmering sugar water for about 5 minutes to plump them up first and let them cool before adding them. And I'm adding 2 cups of chopped chicken breast that I grilled. You could also just poach the chicken or bake it. It doesn't matter. I just like the grill flavor in this one. Now all I have to do is give this a stir, and we're ready to make those sandwiches. Other alternatives for the dried raisins, you can use dried cherries and also mandarin orange segments instead of grapes if you'd like.